Welcome to Hamlet at Carothers Crossing, a new home community ideally located between Nashville and Murfreesboro in Laverne, Tennessee. Hamlet at Carothers Crossing offers two distinctive home series designed to fit the needs of your family. The Manor series offers 4 spacious home designs with 4 to 5 bedrooms and features including guest suites, first-floor flex rooms, second-floor lofts, and basements. The Arbor series includes 2 home designs with 2 to 3 bedrooms that feature well-designed floor plans with open main living and spacious owner suites with walk-in closets to match. Whether you are a first-time home buyer, moving up to accommodate a growing family, or downsizing because the nest is empty, Pulte Homes in Hamlet at Carothers Crossing offers an exceptional choice of insightfully designed homes to fit your needs with a warranty to match. This family-friendly community offers an easy commute to work or entertainment in Nashville and Murfreesboro, or a beautiful back road drive through Tennessee Hills to Franklin. Target, Kroger, Publix, Home Depot, additional everyday conveniences, and a variety of restaurants are easy drives up the road. Cane Ridge Ballpark is a couple of minutes outside of the community, and Long Hunter State Park off Percy Priest Lake is a quick 20-minute commute for the family to enjoy hiking and swimming. Buy with confidence, knowing you're purchasing a well-built home backed by a 10-year limited warranty. We can't wait to welcome you as the next new homeowners in Hamlet at Carothers Crossing.